Dear students, this is the cover page of your GK book. Name is Grow Your Knowledge. And it is publishers are Progress Publisher and the author is Reverend Father Augustine. In contents there are 40 lessons and 2 model test papers. Chapter first, our motherland. So we are live in India. So India is our motherland. India is our motherland. It is the largest democracy in the world. Our democracy is largest democracy in the world. It covers an area of 3,287,263 square kilometer. In this one there is comma are not inserted properly. So in your book you have put the comma after the each 3 digits. So the how much area is covered? 3,287,263 square kilometer, extending from the snow-covered Himalayan heights to the tropical rainforest of the south. From the north Himalaya to the south, in the south tropical rainforest. It is extended from the snow-covered Himalaya to the tropical rainforest of the south. It is the 7th largest country in the world. So our country is the 7th largest country. It is often said that India is not just a country but a subcontinent. On the east is the Bay of Bengal. So you are seeing the map also. In the east there is Bay of Bengal. To the west is the Arabian Sea. So in the west there is Arabian Sea. And to the south is the Indian Ocean. In the south there is the Indian Ocean. In the north we have the chain of mountains, the Himalayas. So in the north there is Himalaya. In the northwest we have a Thar desert. So in the northwest, northwest there is Thar desert, or Thar desert is also called the Great Indian Desert. Along the west and east coast are the plains. Along the west and east coast are the plains are there. In the north, below the Himalayas are the Indo-Gangetic plains. So in the below of the Himalayas there are the Indo-Gangetic plains. In the south is the Deccan Plateau. The Deccan Plateau is also as the Great Peninsular Plateau. There are also a Eastern Ghat and the Western Ghat in the south. In the south there are the Eastern Ghat and the Western Ghat. Mauseram in the Meghalaya is the wettest place with the highest rainfall in the world. In the Meghalaya there is the Mauseram. Mauseram in the Meghalaya, it is the wettest place with the highest rainfall. Here is the highest rainfall in place of the Mauseram in Meghalaya in the whole world. Now next is tick the correct answer. First one is name the ocean that forms the southern border of the India. So you are see this map properly. This is north, this is south, this is east and this is west. In the north, in the south there is Indian Ocean. So Indian Ocean is the correct option. Second is name the mountain range that form the northern border of the India. So we know that in the northern border there is Himalayas. Third one is in which direction would you have to travel from the Bay of Bengal to the Arabian Sea? When you are go from the Bay of Bengal to the Arabian Sea, so the head is on which direction? West direction. So the west is correct option. So you are take on west. In the fourth, in which direction would you had to travel from the Indian Ocean to the Himalayas? So Indian Ocean in the south and Himalaya is in the north. So our head is on the north side. So correct option is north. Then fifth is, in which direction would you had travel from the Great Indian Desert to the wettest place of India? So Great Indian Desert on which direction? West direction. And the wettest place is in the Meghalaya, and Meghalaya is on the east. So our head direction is on the east side. So correct option is east. Take on this one. Next topic is know more about the India. So you are read about this one. This is the homework for you. You are read this one properly and make the notes for these.